Solve the inequality for all thetas in between 0 and 2 pi. It's an inequality. Fun. Ooh. Some trickery is going to happen. Okay, some trickery is going to happen. First off, let's get rid of that -4 by adding 4 to both sides. Let's plus 4, let's plus 4. That gives us -6 sine theta is greater than -3. Now remember, when you divide an inequality by a negative, which we're about to do, you must flip the sign. So we're going to get sine theta is less than positive 1/2. Now, in order to get theta all by itself, we need to inverse sine both sides like so. Inverse sine both sides like so. And so we now have theta is less than sine, inverse sine rather, of 1/2. Now, this is where things get a little bit tricky. Okay, what it means to have an inverse sine of 1/2 is, let's go to our unit circle. Sine has to do with the y value. Okay, the y value is 1/2 at two spots. It's 1/2 here, okay, at this first dot at pi over 6. Okay, we get blah, 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 1/2. And over here at 5 pi over 6, where it's negative blah, 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 1/2. Okay? Since sine is a y value, we are basically saying, all right, starting at 0, where is our y value going to be smaller than pi over 6? Well, from 0 to pi over 6 and including pi over 6, actually not including pi over 6, I take it back because that is greater than and not greater than or equal to, is where my y value is less than pi over 6. Okay, and I'm literally thinking my y value, where is it underneath? Okay, well, it's underneath all the way out here forever, but we won't go beyond 0. Now, as we go to our second interval, it starts at pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, but not including, so we'll say union 5 pi over 6, and our y value is going to be underneath that area for the rest of the unit circle. So this is underneath, this is underneath, this is underneath, this is underneath. So all of these blue areas right here is where theta is less than that 1/2. Okay? So we say this area was 0 to pi over 6, and then 5 pi over 6 all the way and including 2 pi. I don't know why I said 5. Don't know why I said 5. It's 2 pi though. So what does that give us? Hey, very strange problem. Didn't like it. Didn't like it at all.